In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add holidays in Smartsheet. If you manage project timelines, marking holidays as non-working days keeps schedules realistic, prevents tasks from landing on days your team is off, and makes your Gantt chart far more accurate. Begin on the Smartsheet homepage where you can see your workspaces and sheets. Open the project sheet where you want the holidays applied. You can start in the grid view to confirm you're in the right place, then switch over to the Gantt view since the scheduling options you need live with the Gantt settings. In the Gantt view, move your cursor to the primary column header, typically labeled Name. Click it to focus the sheet, then right-click the same name header to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Edit Project Settings. This is where you control working days, durations, and the way Smartsheet calculates dates. Inside project settings, make sure dependencies are enabled. Clicking dependencies enabled turns on Smartsheet's scheduling engine so it can automatically respect non-working days and shift tasks as needed. Next, click the Edit button near the Working Days section to open the detailed calendar options. You'll see a panel for non-working days, sometimes called holidays or exceptions. This is the list Smartsheet checks before it schedules a task. To add a holiday, click the calendar icon. A date picker appears. Choose the date that should be treated as a non-working day for this project. If a holiday spans multiple days, you can add each date one by one. When you're finished selecting the date, click OK to confirm and return to the project settings window. After you add your holiday, Smartsheet will exclude that day from effort calculations. That means if a task would have ended on the holiday, it pushes to the next working day. And if a task would have started on the holiday, it begins on the next available workday instead. If you don't immediately see a change, check that the task has a duration, a start date, and when needed, a dependency so the schedule can recalculate. Repeat the same calendar process to add additional holidays, and keep this list up to date for the full year so your forecasts stay accurate. When everything looks good, you're all set. Your Gantt chart now reflects the holidays you added, and your plan is aligned with real-world availability.